never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't.
I came to my auntie's house and I saw this beautiful palm. See the big one, the mother palm. But this palm is so beautiful. I think I can actually get this from the roots and then grow this palm. I'm trying to get them from the root. I want it with the root, so that when I grow it, it's actually going to survive. Take this back to Lagos. I'm going to be a new plant mom. I'm going to grow these babies. Jesus, it has a ton. I just hope they are going to survive.
I know, I have come again. But why do I feel like you're chasing me away? Are you chasing me away so soon? As far as my shoes are not bad, auntie, I'm going to repeat them. If you have a problem with it, I wear 37. Sneakers, 37. Heels, 37. Look at these now. Giving my mommy back in the day. It's giving good girl vibe. Guys, I can be a good girl. Wow, look at that. I'm still single. It's giving bad bitch but still a virgin. Auntie, some sexiness here and some sexiness here. Let's give it a round of applause.
February 2023 has been one of the hardest time in my country, Nigeria, where one would have money but can't access it. No ATM is working, no money from the POS shop, plus fuel scarcity. It has been a very hard time for everyone. This morning, I went to the bank close to my house to transfer the money I have in my ATM to my first bank, because that's the bank I have their ATM. And it was a long queue just for transfer. The POS shop that people look down on, they became Oga at the top. This period is very, very hot, and I have a sweetheart in the kitchen. Blessing! Say hi!
Hello.
I'm thinking of changing the color of the door of this apartment. What do you think? Please, someone should tell me. Change or no change in the comment section. I don't think I like the color. I think I should change it to white. Blessing says white. I say black. So tell me, should I change it to white or black, or should I leave it in this color? I think this color looks fine. Seeing it from here. I'm so indecisive. I have a wife in the kitchen. May I marry you? Hi.
I will give it to another person. Say your brother will marry you.
My brother will marry you. The one that is even married, you become second wife. Blessing is going to teach me how to fry egusi today. Egusi soup. All my life, I only know how to boil egusi, cook egusi via boiling. I don't know how to fry egusi.
You see, so any swallow you're eating with bomo. That's the sweetness of swallow. I don't want husband. It's money I want.
It's money.
To fight for the money.
Please, I want husband. If you have husband material.
Husband material.
Give it to me. Give me. I know you cannot get everything, but at least the basic things. I need a good man. I'm still struggling with my kitchen. The window has not been fixed. There has been like very unreasonable about it. It's small. The first thing is that it's small. The second is that they've not dressed it. And I'm tired. I'm tired of complaining. I think it's just best you wait for apartment to be completed before you move in. Apartment updates. I went to the market today, to a jam market, and things are very expensive. Please, I want to go back to the mainland. I cannot live this island life, please. I want to go back to I wonder how people that stays in maybe VI, Ikoyi, I wonder how they
have all those big people.
Guys.
Because as far as I'm concerned, they take all these things with big people.
And apart from meat, it's just the overhype.
Yes.
They just overhype island, overhype the whole thing. Fake, plenty fake life. You will see girls who go straight in the market, flying everywhere.
Why?
Why don't you carry your whole bag and come to the market? Does the market look like a show place for you? Like, no.
Well, everybody, you can meet your husband anywhere, or your toaster, or your sugar daddy that will buy you.
Okay, why you carry your whole bag?
Because probably I'm pretty with your bag.
Oh my God, fine girl.
And most of them are not proud of their hair. So me, my hair is my star, is my destiny, is my beauty.
Oh my
it's
God.
my brain.
I think the pot is fine. I think I like the color. What do you think? Maroon. It took me back and forth also like a month to get the caretaker to make this window bigger, and I'm excited that finally the window is being worked on. At least when I'm cooking, I'm not going to be choked by smoke, and painted it white myself. See the color this man wants to use and do door for this place. The story behind this my kitchen cabinet is a very long one. So the furniture guy that does this cabinet said that the wood finished and he couldn't find another wood. That's why he used this color for the door. So looking at it, at least it matched the wall of my kitchen. I had to go with it like that. Hey my love, welcome to my channel. Happy weekend. I don't know why I sound this way. Today we are going to the beach. It's a beach day. Let me show you where I am.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of
The board I used for my closet for my former house, and I decided to use it for the kitchen cabinet in this house. The kitchen here doesn't have a cabinet, you just have a place where you can wash your plate, and I decided to change this to black. And I'm also making another one, another tabletop where I can put my gas, like another cabinet. But that one will be on the floor where I'll put my gas, because I used to use my student gas, the gas I used in uni. I continue with this work and get this sprayed, then we'll see when the work is done. I have always been someone that doesn't like generator noise. I hate generator noise with passion. So today on my house arrangement update, I have the guys, they came to fix what do they call it again, inverter for me in the house. So apart from the generator noise, I hate the fact that generator consumes fuel. A lot of people don't really calculate how much they spend on fuel. Nigerians have bad light situation. Like almost everybody knows that we have very bad light situation here in Nigeria, and I see it as a waste of money buying fuel every time. When you calculate how much you spend on fuel in a year, it's enough to buy you an inverter or even a solar system if you can afford it. That's why I decided to do inverter in this house. Later I can top it up to solar. This inverter powers my whole house, and my TV is connected to it, my fan, only my AC that is not connected to the inverter. It also carries my mini fridge, the one on the floor. If you want them to install it for you, just write me on the comment section and I'll send you his number. I'm so happy they just arrived. I've not had internet for a very long time, and today it's me. God, can you hear the generator noise? It's crazy. I can't vlog here, but I just wanted to tell you that I'm so excited. I've not been able to upload since January. Yes, I managed to upload 2 vlogs in January, or early February, yeah. I managed to upload 2 vlogs early February. I've been finding it so difficult to upload because I don't have strong network in the new area where I moved to. Now is going to be resolved because they are coming to install my Wi-Fi. Finally, my internet is going to be restored. I am so thrilled. I'm so happy. I've not been able to upload my vlogs on YouTube since January, and he's here to install my internet. Say hello to my channel.
Okay, hi.
Okay, you're checking the switch that you use. Okay. Alright. I'm so happy because there's no strong internet here. There's no strong. I hope TZT is nice because where I'm coming from, the Wi-Fi I was using, Wi-Fi, but they were superb. They were very nice. It's nice, Abby. The pipe is piping. Alex! Okay. So it's going to go through that my window. Story of my life. I don't know how I studied mathematics in the university. I am supposed to study agriculture. Why did I study maths? I've seen this plant and I've been eyeing this plant for a very long time. So I had to go and buy this plant bucket. What they call it? I think it's plant bucket. To plant this plant or to replant the plant. Anyone? The planting very late in the evening because it's not good to plant when it's sunny. It's always preferable to plant very late in the evening or early in the morning. This is in case you want to grow your own plant. So Welcome, I am a new plant beautiful mom. I already fixed my cotton rod, but it was long. The first person that fixed it said I should leave it that long. I should remove this light. But on the second thought, I like the light in the middle, though I'm going to change it to a more modern light. So I decided to cut this rod into half. And yeah, we've come to the end of this very long vlog. I know this is like my longest vlog ever. Thank you for watching. I love you.